Hey everyone, I'm Dan with the Chart Guys, trader and technical analyst. In this video, we're going to go over the charts looking at the broader market and major sectors. After a big red day in tech yesterday, bulls bought the dip. We'll see what the bears have to do to prove something to us.
So looking at the S&P 500, we have the highest close in a whole bunch of months. Bulls are just fine hanging on during our rotation, and we had pretty much a double bottom. Support was 425.99. We broke up by 17 pennies and then closed up near the high. So we've got resistance now of 429.62, which is in play tomorrow. So no red flags in the broader market. It's a potential daily bull flag at this point. And now we're looking towards next week with the FOMC CPI numbers. But this week, one more trading day. And really the only hope for the bears is, I keep saying, we haven't confirmed an hourly downtrend. QQQ, big drop. Where's the follow through? It's not there. The bears have not confirmed a simple hourly downtrend on QQQ in over a week now. If you can't confirm an hourly downtrend, you aren't going anywhere. That being said, we can see it's a daily inside bar. I'm anticipating on our futures chart that we're going to see a 4-hour lower high and a tightening range into tomorrow, or potentially through tomorrow. So I'm going to be looking at this high, this low, and scouting a lower high. So I hope we open higher tomorrow to be scouting bearish, short term for day trades, just looking for a lower high and tightening range, because after that, after that amount of volatility, we can anticipate that equilibrium is the most likely scenario. So that's what I'm going to be watching for tomorrow from a day trading perspective. But from a swing trading perspective, right off daily EMA 12, again, just no bear follow through. Could this be a head and shoulders 12-hour? Possible. But again, we need big bear volume. It's not going to confirm without big bear volume. But for me, the most clarity is scouting a 4-hour lower high. Semiconductors, daily inside bar as well. The daily downtrend confirmed with zero follow through, and the bulls are trying to shape up a weekly bull flag. Simple statement, if daily EMA 12 is support, it's a weekly bull flag. Same thing for NVDA. Inside bar, if EMA 12 is support on the daily, it's a weekly bull flag. Lose it, then we can set our sights on perhaps weekly EMA 12. But bears have to follow through, and they're not doing so just yet. Tesla extremely strong still. Definitely no long entries at this point, for more than a day trade. If you look at the daily RSI, we're up at 83, and this is the highest daily RSI since all-time highs. So you certainly don't want to make any swing entries when the RSI is that extended. But look at the 4-hour. I don't generally use the 4-hour time frame for stocks, but it's just beautiful for Tesla holding every single period of consolidation. And so we can say that the Tesla bulls, what's going on after hours? We're up big. Let's see. Don't know. It's up big after hours. Something's going on. Tesla reportedly asked supplier to prepare for 375,000 Cybertrucks output yearly. So some Cybertruck hype. All right. Well, bulls have full control. 4-hour RSI is now back in the 80s as well. But again, the 4-hour EMA 12. So if you're holding the EMA 12, you're in complete control as a bull. And that is our guide. And when we lose it, it will be notable. Financial sector, bulls defended the low of yesterday by 1 penny and closed strong. Daily inside bar. We're not going to forget that we have not confirmed a daily uptrend yet. So daily consolidation won't surprise us when it happens from here. But no sign of it at this point. Still setting sights on 33.53 to try and confirm the weekly uptrend. IWM, same deal. We broke the low of yesterday, but only by 5 pennies. Pretty much a daily inside bar and trying to hold strong, which we are. XLV. So this is now key for me into next week. Can the healthcare sector confirm the daily uptrend? We knew the daily lower high was the most likely scenario. We knew the daily higher low was the most likely scenario. Now, can we confirm the uptrend? Hourly chart has a little bull flag into the end of the day. So this is now a key support level in the short term. If the bulls are going to confirm a daily uptrend, they want to hold 128.78. And that would just be our weakest major sector from the last 2 months joining Team Bull and setting a clear weekly high or low in this long drawn out equilibrium, which we will look for a break in July. AI names, inside bar for AI, not officially setting the daily lower high yet, but we're anticipating that's the most likely scenario. PLTR was a great trader today. Gap down open. Look at them push this down right before the open. This is, think about how much money it takes. So this is 145,000 shares to drop the price from 14.49 to 14.39, and then the massive volume buying of the gap down open. And if you watched it trade yesterday, it was just as bearish as you can get. And then you gap it down and V-shape 7% right at the open. Set the higher low, continuation. I was anticipating a lower high here, but fortunately the NASDAQ was really strong, so I didn't get too aggressive going bearish PLTR. And we eventually rolled over into hourly consolidation, but PLTR on the daily is still just fine. The bears never confirmed an hourly downtrend. Big drop. Where's the lower high and lower low? I guess they had one in extended hours. That doesn't count. Daily EMA 12 is our guide. Have to lose it. SCMI, another SMCI. I keep mixing that up. Another semiconductor name. Double bottom with the low of yesterday by 12 pennies. And big sell-off yesterday, but taking it mostly back. Watching for a potential equilibrium, but there is still buying going on in AI names. ARKK, brief consolidation, trying for a quick higher low. So overall, rotation still going on, bulls still buying the dip, no bear follow through. CCJ is trying to shape up a daily bull flag for uranium after the monthly equilibrium bull break. Ready for the bears, but they're not around. CVNA was a huge runner today. This is the state of the market that we're in right now. Low cap names. CVNA now up 300% from the lows. The dollar broke bear. Daily downtrend confirmed. So weekly lower high set. We've been scouting this for a few weeks at this point. And now we've got our low, high, double bottom, lower high. We're going to scout a higher low compared to 178 as the most likely scenario. And watch for that tightening range. But with that bear break, the metals, miners didn't have that great a day inside bar, but you can see silver right back up. So silver 2-week higher low is set. I like the 2-week time frame more clear than the weekly. Gold has not done so yet. Gold still range bound, trying to make its way back up. Have to get over 1983.51 if we are going to confirm the 2-week higher low is set on gold. And I am still watching Bitcoin for a 2-week higher low there as well. Bitcoin and the metals have been trading similarly ever since the regional bank fundamental narrative linked them up. It's trying for the back test and hold. Again, I'm watching Bitcoin for a daily falling wedge. And if that were to play out, MARA is my bull that I'm going to be watching, but patient. And oil, daily downtrend confirmed here with a little lower high and lower low. Now we're looking back at 67.03. Big drop today. Big enough bounce to scout an hourly equilibrium. Hope you had a good day. I'm still in my meta swing short. Traded around it a little bit today, a little flipping. It's expecting an hourly bounce, so covered some and then re-entered some. But going to give that NASDAQ 4-hour lower high on the futures chart a chance tomorrow. I hope you're well. Do good things, and we will see you soon.
The fig trees died off in a hard freeze over the winter, but their roots survived, so we're starting from scratch. It'll be a lot faster with their roots already established. Raspberries, I'm sharing them with the birds. Got yarrow flowers, echinaceas starting to come on. Milkweed for the butterflies. And we're 85% done mulching.